Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix slow or stuck charging on Black Shark gaming tablet. To fix slow or stuck charging, you may want to try different things. First of all, try cleaning the USB-C port on your tablet. Now, let me show you the port. You can see there it is, and you should try to clean it with something that won't damage it. So you shouldn't use any metallic tools. The tools that you use, make sure that they are like non-metallic, so maybe something plastic. Do it gently so you don't break the pins, because there are pins on the, you may even see them, I think, here on the video. Yeah, there are pins on this like sticking out part in the center. So make sure not to damage them. You could also use a soft brush, which would be the best option. And you could use IPA alcohol if you have isopropyl alcohol. Not just any alcohol, it has to be isopropyl, not to cause corrosion, and also not to cause a short circuit, because isopropyl alcohol doesn't cause short circuit, but I'd still recommend turning off the device before you do it. And yeah, you can spray just a little of IPA and then brush it and see if it helps. Now, that's not the only way to solve it. So let's try to do it the other way. Try checking if the cable is damaged, if the charging brick is damaged. Try using a different cable, preferably a cable and a charging brick from a reputable brand. Doesn't have to be the like original Black Shark or Xiaomi one. Could be any, but just make sure it's from a reputable brand. It's not just like some unbranded thing, because it may not be very good for your tablet. And also make sure that it's off enough like power. You can see I have this charging brick right here. It's from Ugreen, and on the back of it there are some things written. So let's try to see them. There it is, you can see now. And it shows me, yeah, it shows the USB-C and USB-A output. These are important. And you can see on the right side it shows me that it's 20 watts max, which is fast charging and it should be great. But if it was 5 watts or 10 or 8, it would be not enough for fast charging, so it would just be slow, or it wouldn't even charge if you were using the tablet at the same time as charging. Now, if it doesn't show the watts, you can do it in another method, which is you can see in this case I actually have 3 different values here, but there are volts and amperes, and you can multiply volts by amperes. And in this case there's 5 volts at 3 amperes, that's 15, and 9 volts at 2.22 amperes, that's going to be about 20, and 12 volts by 1.67 amperes, that's also, I think, going to be about 20. Now, if that didn't help, try also using a different power outlet. Maybe there's something wrong with the power outlet. And one more thing is that it is normal if you're playing games and charging at the same time that it will charge slowly or it won't charge at all, because games use a lot of power. So you may want to just stop using the tablet as it's charging, so that it doesn't use that much power and charges more quickly. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.